What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can purchase or how you can buy a single item on Alibaba. Now this, if you are interested to buy, like if you are interested in buying on Alibaba, you want to buy one product, this video is for you. I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step on how you can do this. Now the first thing you need to do guys, you want to search for what you want to buy exactly, but before you do that you have to log in into your account. So I'm going to click on my account. I'm just going to log in using my Facebook because that's how I always use Alibaba. I always log in using my Facebook. So what you need to do guys next is you want to search for what you want to buy here in the top. So for example, if you want to buy, for example, a speaker, you just want to search for speaker. And the second thing you need to do guys to buy one product is you want to click, or you want to select, or you want to check ready to ship. Now this is very important guys, you need to check ready to ship, because if you don't do that, then Alibaba will show you like different suppliers. There are some suppliers they don't even have items in stock, so you need to do that guys. You need to check ready to ship first, and here where it says minimum order, so you need to select here 1. Okay, the minimum order is 1. So Alibaba will not show you items that are like, they will only show you items that like accept one purchase. I hope it makes sense. Like you can only buy one piece. Like if you select here 5, then Alibaba will show you suppliers that accept 5. The minimum order amount is 5. But if you select here 1, then Alibaba will show you guys only suppliers that that you are looking for, suppliers that accept one purchase or one product. You want to click OK, and here as you can see here guys, you can then you can just find, like you can see here all these products, they all offer one product minimum. Okay, they all offer one piece, like the minimum order amount is 1, so you can buy this product without any problem. And you just want to select here which one you want for this. So there are 2 different variations, like here black and white. You want to select which one you want to add, this plus, click this plus, and then you want to click on start order. So after guys you click on start order, then you need to add here your address inside Alibaba. You just want to click on add address, so that you can add here your address, add here your country address and state, city. So after you add your address, you want to click on submit, and you want to scroll down a little bit, and here you need to enter here your credit card. So you need to add here credit card here, and the month and year. So that's it, and then you want to click on pay now. So within like 2 days from now, you want to go to your inside, like you want to go to your Alibaba account, and you want to click on my Alibaba, click on orders, and here you will find the tracking number next to your own purchase. Now after 2 days, then Alibaba's seller will ship the product, and the tracking number will be available, and then you want to copy that tracking number. It will also be sent to your email. You want to copy that tracking number, and you want to go to this website. It's called 70 track. So you need to paste that tracking number here, and after you paste the tracking number, then you can track the order until it arrives in your country or in your house. Okay guys, this is very easy guys, so all you have to do is do the exact steps, and that's exactly how you can buy a single product from Alibaba. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.